Hi, buddy. Are you good? Yeah, you're cute. So we just got to the showers. Gonna take some showers. Gonna shower, gonna get clean. Gonna make beer cheese and taco for dinner and hang out at the camp for the rest of the day. Jess forgot her mask. It's a federal building, gotta wear them.
Johnny forgot a towel. All fresh and showered, back with my dog. John is clipping his toenails out there. Yeah, looking pretty good.
We're at camp. We're gonna make, well, I'm gonna make beer cheese and taco.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Alright, beginning beer cheese.
Package of cream cheese.
Do you use that whole thing?
Yep. 16 ounces of Velveeta. Alright.
Plop the cream cheese, plop the Velveeta.
Oh, you can add the beer in immediately. You need some liquid. That's cool.
For our preference, we are using Miller Lite. Huh, I thought you were gonna use Coors. Is that everything you're using out of it?
I don't know. We'll have to see at the end if we want to add more or not. Once everything's melted and mixed together, then you gotta do a little taste test.
Okay.
I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper.
Yeah, well, I got it out for the beef too.
Yeah. If we had garlic powder out, I'd add a little bit of that, but it's not necessary.
We're back.
Alright.
We're stirring cheese over here, and we're chopping onion. Green onion, to be specific.
Get all the little roots we're not gonna use. Alright.
Nice. Now the onion's done. Does it go right in?
Yep, once it's melted. Alright, so we'll dump our onion in. Alright, onion's in. Looking delicious. Alright, and now, moment of truth. I prefer, the ideal dipping is a pretzel or a bread, but Walmart has this pretty decent bread for $1, and it's a pretty good dipper. So just dip it in. Get a nice glob on there. It's probably really hot. It's good.
I feel like you barely even tasted it. Are you not burning your mouth?
It's not that bad.
It's freezing outside and John's cooking. I'm just enjoying myself a beer.
Oh, this is frozen.
Now we're making taco meat. We're using 1/3 of a 3-pound package, so thus 1 pound.
I learned really
It does not look appetizing. All right.
All right, we'll throw a little bit of spice in now. We'll throw some in later.
Okay. Double spice. Now this taco seasoning you cannot get in stores. As you see, it used to be chili powder. Our mom packed it for us.
My mom made it.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's in it exactly.
I'm guessing some chili powder.
Smells good. So it has been sufficiently cooked.
Now we're just gonna dump the excess grease out.
Hudson.
I'm gonna dump it into the fire pit because I don't know. That's what I like to do.
Don't dump the meat.
All right. Now we're gonna go back, add some spices, and then make our own tacos. It's all make our own taco anyway.
And then after we eat, this disaster is gonna be super fun to clean.
Give it all a nice mix. Try not to spill any so Jess doesn't get mad at me.
He spills everything.
I'm a quick cooker, not a clean cooker.
I prefer clean.
I prefer quick, but I also like clean.
Then why doesn't it happen, Johnny? Why doesn't it happen? It's still freezing. Hi, buddy.
I don't need any more onion than that.
That was horrible filming because I was watching you and not looking at the phone.
I'm just gonna throw the onion in with it.
Welcome to the future. The pepper has been cut along with a jalapeno pepper.
Alright, now we need tortillas and...
Well, I got some low-carb tortillas right here. That's what I'm gonna eat. And we're gonna make ourselves some tacos. Alright, we're gonna put together some tortillas.
Tortillas!
Don't know how well you can see here. Well, definitely not well if John does that.
A scoop. I'm gonna take a scoop of meat, stir up the cheese a little bit. I've never made this with beer, but having beer cheese on it before, so we'll see how good that is.
Alright, hurry up, we got low storage.
Alright, I'm gonna throw some pepper, some peños, some lettuce, and I feel like I could use, what is it, thick burrito?
Let's see. Oh yeah, alright, nice.
And another little drizzle. Alright.
Now fold it up.
Ah.
And let's see the end result.
Burrito.
Now take a bite. How's the beer cheese on there?
There you go.
Alright, and that's Johnny's burrito.
Helper's here. Jess is making her second burrito. How was the first one?
It was good. It was really messy. It eats like it cooks. Messy.
Cooking without a kitchen, not the easiest thing in the world.
But doable.
Definitely not the cleanest. Jess is scraping out the cheese. Normally it shouldn't burn like that. Dump your beer in first.
But let me show you how we're going to clean it. That's as good as it's going to get because we don't have a
Did you get all the
spatula.
onion pieces out? I mean,
Yes,
they're pretty big.
much.
They're pretty big.
There you go.
Pre-rinse. We're gonna dump the meat in with the cheese because we're awesome. I'm gonna start in the dishes, and we'll give you an update maybe when we're done.
Maybe.
All right, everything's been scrubbed and cleaned. Now it's putting everything back together. Got the little buddy propane heater out because it's freezing out, and working with water makes your hands a bit cold. There he is. There's a good boy. Oh, what's up, bud? What's up, bud? Oh, what's up? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're full of cheese and snacks and you had a good day. Oh, yeah. Oh, you did. Oh, you did. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. All right. Huh? Huh? You want to go? Huh? You want to go, punk? Huh? Huh? Alright, he's done. He gave up on me. He's not a true friend.
/ dinner has been eaten. We cleaned up all the dishes. Now we're starting a fire. And this wood is splitting amazingly. Look at those pieces. They're beautiful.
So I got a fire started and split a big log. And Jess is over here. She set up her hammock. That's where she's sleeping tonight. Hudson's gonna sleep in the car. She's gonna sleep out here.
No. It's gonna be 12.
Yeah.
I'm chilling in my hammock. Hudson is chilling by my side there. This is great. So Hudson, we're on our nightly walk here. Are you gonna move this stick out of the road? You moved it in. That's like a pretty big one, dude. I'm gonna keep going. Come on. You don't have to bring it. It's okay. Hudson. There you go. It's okay. Come on. Come on. He's gonna go try and get it. I know. I know. That one was too big. We caught another sunset at the Grand Canyon. Another sunset from the fire tower. Hudson's got another stick. Come on, buddy boy. That's pretty fun. There's someone else up on the fire tower, so I didn't want to talk or, ruin their sunset experience. But it was nice. I think the first night and yesterday's sunset were cooler though. Tonight's was okay. Still nice, but not as cool as the other 2 nights. We're gonna go back to camp now.